Ready. Here we go. This is part 2 to segment 2 here because this is a long ass fucking segment. Now we are going. Why you hitting the cop? Come on, man. It's freaking police brutality.
See what happened. Nothing to do for him. But, decent.
So yeah, now this fucking cop wants us to run an errand for him. And what does he want? Oh, batteries for his freaking radio.
Okay, I'll walk right in there. Did it, man? Oh, I thought I did. Another one.
Ooh, how you like that?
I'll get grabbed again. Again? Oh, no. Who wants one?
Group hug, 5G achievement. Oh shit, we got a crawler. And we got a one-armed Farmer John here. Die, crawler. Line. That was awesome. Here we go. Looking for some damn batteries for this asshole pig. Too scared to come down off the roof and go look for his own fucking shit. Hey buddy, I got your freaking keys and shit here. Generator's on.
Don't make noise.
Shut the fuck up. Let me in, asshole. How the hell are you supposed to get in? Through the back?
Come on. Gotta go.
Return to the vehicle.
Oh shit.
Returning to vehicle. But there's walkers everywhere. The noise from the generator is drawing them in.
I'm sweating.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Crap.
I messed myself up. I'm a buyer, people.
And he's dead.
Game horrible. Point blank.
Better off buying a porno, people. You probably get your money's worth out of that. And the loading takes fucking forever too.
Dick.
Gotta go.
Crap. Yeah, it just came out of every fucking where. Get out of here. Holy crap. Fucking came through the door. What, do they know how to open doors now?
Power's out. Now, get back over here. Now, what you think I'm doing, Jess? Let's start the damn truck.
Start the damn truck.
Right behind me.
And that was segment 2, people. Mission summary. Couldn't get the collectible.
Fuck that color.
And that is it. And, yeah.